Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the US state of Minnesota, but we assist customers from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. One of the services that our customers most frequently ask us to perform is the removal of the Google Account Lock security feature on an Android device, also known as the FRP lock for factory reset protection. Here with us today, we happen to have a Samsung Galaxy Tab S6, and this is a device that does indeed have the FRP lock enabled, because as we can see here, as we're going through the initial setup steps, we get to the screen that tells us that the device was factory reset, and to continue, we have to either verify the previous screen lock that was used, or if we tap on Use My Google account instead, it'll also give us the option to sign in to the Google account that was previously used on the device. So we've been contacted by tons of customers over the years asking us for assistance with this specific issue on this specific model, usually either because they themselves accidentally got locked out of their own device and couldn't remember or recover their login information after having done a factory reset, or unfortunately a lot of times also these days someone will buy a used device from someone on the internet and then the device turns out to be locked. So in those cases, it's generally a diss on the seller who isn't forthcoming about that lock at the beginning, and then after the purchase, the buyer discovers it, and obviously they're not going to have the previous user's login information, and therefore they are stuck with an unusable device. So we're making this video here to let any interested customers know that we do offer a service to be able to get the device unlocked from this without having to have the previous user's login info. The removal procedure is something that we do directly to the tablet while it is plugged into a computer. And the great thing about this is that it's something that can be done for just about anyone, anywhere in the world. So you don't necessarily need to be located here in our local area in order for us to be able to do this for you. You would just need to have a decently powerful Windows computer along with a fast and stable internet connection, and we can remotely connect right to your computer through the internet to perform the exact same procedure that we did here with this one. So, before starting the video, we had already done 99% of the work necessary to get the lock removed. We just left it in place right before the last step so that you guys could see that it was indeed locked, so that you know we can actually do this, that there's no trickery going on here or anything like that. The last step was basically to just restart the device. So now that that's done, we can see that we are loaded up at the home screen here, and we have full access to all of the apps and settings and features, and it is just like a brand new device that never had the lock on there. While we're here, I'm going to go ahead and pop into the settings to show you exactly what we are working with. So when we go in there and go down to About Tablet, we can indeed see that we have a Galaxy Tab S6, and then that model number there, the SM-T860. That is the model number of this specific device that we are working with here. So if you have one of these exact same models and need help getting the Google lock removed from it, we would love to assist you with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information will be right down in the video description, and we'll also put a slide at the end of the video that has all of our info there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out some of the other videos that we have here on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for thousands of models of mobile devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy someday. Hitting that subscribe button while you're there will enable you to be notified of all of the new videos and services that we're constantly adding and putting up, just like we're doing here with this one. Y para todos ustedes hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes también nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and have a great rest of your day.